Marprom is, or should I say, want us to sign a contract which we believe is illegal. We have a legal opinion that support our opinion. It's from the, now I will try to speak Slovene, Institut za ekonomsko in korporativno upravljanje, I think from Maribor, that totally support our point of view. And we can't sign this contract because, as we said, it's illegal, and mainly because they are restricting the selling of tickets on the buses. We have a contract with the Ministry of Transport for all the regional traffic. And in this regulation, it's exclusively say that we are obliged to sell tickets on the buses to passengers, also on the platforms and on the bus station. If we don't follow this, we can actually lose our concession agreement. In the contract with Marprom, they are forcing us to not sell and give them exclusive right to sell on bus station, which we can't accept, because we also think that this is against the free competition rules, that you also have the right to sell your own tickets, your own products. In this contract is stipulating that if we don't sign the contract, which we think it's illegal, they will charge all operators a penalty fee, I would say, for those that don't sign the contract, which is from December, January, €651. The normal price was €221. And we also have received an invoice from January, which was 70,000 for us. This is forcing, as we see it, or blackmailing, to sign a contract that we can't sign because of illegality. Marprom, and through the City Council, also took a new price list, valid from 6th of February, where they have increased the prices from €221 for regular entrance to €350. But the penalty fee for those not signing is €25 for every event. For us, that means who are the biggest operator, we have more or less 90% of the regional lines, but also all operators is affected of this. We have got one request. I would say request because I'm not sure if it's an invoice or not. They call it request. And for 3 weeks, from 6th of February to end of February, they charge us 208,000. You will see the documents later. This is more than we should pay in normal conditions over 1 year. So I could say this is pure blackmailing. This means on a yearly level, for us only, over €3 million in entrance fees, because we can't sign. And in total, I would say 3.5 million with all operators. That means, in practice, we can build a new bus station in Maribor every year.
Ne moremo popolnoma zapreti prodaje vozovnic na avtobusu. Gre se tudi za odnos, bom rekel, do potnikov. Veste sami, nekdo zadnji trenutek prileti na avtobusno postajo, ker se boji, da bo zamudil avtobus, gre direktno na avtobus, a ne želi tam vozovnico kupiti. Mi smo poudarjali, da seveda mi bomo potnike usmerjali na prodajna mesta na avtobusni postaji, vendar tudi neke sankcije, ki so bile tam, mislim, da okoli €150, če bomo vozovnico prodali na avtobusu, so bile take sankcije, ki pač za nas niso bile sprejemljive, da bi to pogodbo tudi podpisali. Mi imamo 7 linij v Maribor, se pravi 14 odhodov in prihodov imamo na avtobusni postaji Maribor, ali mesečno recimo cirka 400 dogodkov. Pravzaprav že prej ta tarifa €2,21 za vsak postajni dogodek, kar je zneslo, rekel, preko €1000 je bilo za nas že kar draga zadeva. Novi pogoji poslovanja, v katerih so se cene povišali z 2,21 na €3,50, seveda ta strošek še bistveno zvišuje in pravzaprav pomeni za našo firmo, da za vsakega potnika, ki ga pripeljamo na avtobusno postajo Maribor ali ga odpeljamo, mi že plačamo avtobusni postaji Maribor €4. se pravi plus provizijo, če prodamo vozovnico, če Marprom proda vozovnico na avtobusni postaji. In to je dejansko, se mi zdi, en tak nesorazmeren strošek glede na našo dejavnost in tudi na pozicijo, v kateri se ta moment nahajamo. Mi s težavo vse te linije danes izvajamo, vidite sami, kaj se nam z nafto dogaja. Mi smo enako kot Veolia dobili račun oziroma zahtevek za mesec februar v višini 9000 pa nekaj evrov. Pa bomo rekel, tega imamo celotnega prometa iz cele Koroške do Maribora nazaj nekje cirka 10 000 evrov mesečno. Se pravi, da bi mogli skoraj cel prihodek, ki ga ustvarimo z našimi prevozi, zdaj Marpromu plačati za storitev avtobusne postaje. Taka zadeva pa stvari, bom rekel, samo še poslabšuje in v končni fazi bo Koratur prisiljen avtobusno postajo Maribor izbrisati iz voznih redov in naši avtobusi ne bojo več tja prihajati.
When we were the former operator, we had 221 as a price. We also have to remember in this price we won the concession 2006 over Nigrad, and we were the best offerer. We paid around 136,000 every year to the city to run the bus station. We know that going from 221 to 350, in our opinion, is too high. This is a 58% increase of the price, and that is what we think is not the fair price. This is way too high, and they also have no discounts for bigger operator, which other bus stations actually have. The consequence of this, you say, price ID that Marprom and the city council will lead to that to survive as an operator, we have to look for all possibility to not stop at the bus station, because this price will be too high and we can't compensate. If we don't do this, we will jeopardize the whole company. And we are around 250 employees or depending. Personally, I feel that we have been now a long time in Maribor. We started with Certus, which is us actually. We changed to Connex and now we are Veolia. And with this pricing, we feel that something is definitely wrong. We don't feel like a long-time partner for Maribor City.